Hello there and welcome to Warmy. I'm Roman, your guide in the universe of email deliverability. Today let's talk about our feature, sharing your Google Postmaster data with Warmy. Trust me, it's a game changer for your email deliverability. Google Postmaster or GPM provides crucial insights into your email performance. We'll explore why this matters and walk you through the simple process of sharing your data. Let's break it down into 3 easy steps. Step 1. Adding your domain into Google Postmaster Tools. Sign into your Google Postmaster Tools account. Look for a plus button in the bottom right corner. Click it. Enter your authentication domain and hit Next. Step 2. Verify your domain. Click Verify to confirm you own the domain. Be patient. It might take a while for the status to be updated to verified. Step 3. Granting access to Warmy. Once verified, go back to your Google Postmaster Tools dashboard. Find your verified domain and click More. Then Manage Users. In the bottom right, click Add. Here's the important part. Enter GPM address signed warmy.io as the email address. That's it. Now you shared your Postmaster Tools data with Warmy. But why is this so powerful? Well, it unlocks a treasure trove of actionable insights. We're talking domain reputation, spam complaints, and authentication stats. The works. With this data, we can fine-tune your email warm-up strategies and adjust volumes in real time. Plus, you'll get Warmy-specific metrics right in your account. We're talking GPM domain and IP reputation, deliverability performance metrics, and spam rate statistics. It's like having a supercharged email deliverability dashboard. To recap, sharing your Google Postmaster Tools data with Warmy is a simple 3-step process. Add your domain, verify it, and grant access to GPM address sign warmy.io. This unlocks powerful insights and metrics that we can use to optimize your email deliverability and drive better results. If you need any other assistance with email deliverability topics, be sure to check our help center. The link is in the description. We've got tons of helpful articles to keep you emailing like a pro. Thanks so much for watching, Warmers. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful and subscribe for more email deliverability tips. I'm Roman from Warmy and I will see you next time.